What's up, traders? Megan here with BBT. I want to talk to you today about the top 5 trading mistakes that I see traders make. Not only you guys out there, but myself included, I've definitely made some of these, if not all of them, and I was hoping that by talking through it, maybe I could help prevent some of you from making the same mistake. So mistake number 1, treating the simulator like it's a game. Now, in the beginning of our trading journey, I understand we're pressing buttons, we're pushing around, we're just trying to figure out our platform, we're taking crazy share sizes, we're just having fun. But the problem is that sometimes we use the simulator like it's a game for far too long. And what that does is it creates bad habits for far too long. And those habits become very difficult to break when we decide to go live. So the best thing that you can do is use the simulator as if it's real live money sooner rather than later, so you can start to form those good habits from the very beginning. Number 2, following the crowd and the herd mentality. Now, don't get me wrong, Wall Street Bets is super fun, StockTwits is super fun, but here's the deal. If you follow the crowd and you make a lot of money, awesome. But if you follow the crowd and you lose a bunch of money, well, then we're left wondering why, what went wrong? So the best thing to do is develop a strategy and have a strategy that you understand, and then you can look to the crowd to see where the chatter might be and where the momentum might be building. Then when we take the trade, if it works, great. If it doesn't, we can go back to our strategy and we can figure out what went wrong. Number 3, sizing up too big, too fast. So I definitely did this in the beginning of my trading journey, and I'm here to say that I blew up my first account and it sucked. So I'm really hoping that doesn't happen for you. We have so much time to build and get better at our system and take those big trades down the road. The best thing that you can do to protect your capital is to start small. Start small, start small, start small. A lot of mentors will tell you this, and a lot of videos will tell you this, and I don't know what it is, but it just takes like that one video or that one person for it to click one day, and I'm really hoping this is the video that gets you to understand to start small. You have time. Mistake number 4 is moving your stop loss or not setting one at all. And you know, this can be a very, very bad habit to get into because sometimes it works out, and then the day that it decides not to work out, you lose a bunch of money. So what happens is that we set a stop loss at a level that we understand. We've set it there for a reason. So when we take it off or we don't put one at all, and the stock goes against us, well, now we're in uncharted territory. We don't really know what to do here. Do we leave the trade on and just hope that it comes back to break even? Or do we take it off and do we take the huge loss? These two things can be really bad in 2 ways. One, it taxes our capital and it taxes our mental state. Those are 2 things that we really, really have to protect when it comes to trading, our capital and our mental state. So keep your stop loss. If you find that you're getting stopped out a lot and it's really starting to frustrate you, take a look at your strategy and see maybe how you can adjust your stop loss so you stop getting stopped out so much. And mistake number 5 is going it alone. Now, I definitely went alone in the beginning of my journey while I was trying to figure everything out, but I will say that it wasn't until I joined a community and I got a trading buddy that my trading journey really started to take off and that my career really started to propel. So I highly recommend getting a buddy, and not only just to not be alone in the journey, but it's so good to get a second set of eyes on your trades, have people point out maybe something that you didn't quite notice because you're the only one that's been staring at it for so long. We can learn a lot from each other and we can continue to grow together and become better traders as a big, happy community. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please like and subscribe. Drop me a comment if there's other mistakes that I've missed, maybe big mistakes that you have made that you would like to share. There's a lot that we can learn from each other, and hopefully we can learn from each other's past mistakes. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you later.